Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about the full live execution, whatever we do in the live market, as well as we are providing WhatsApp broadcast support for every traders. So that you can see right now, I will be saying what are all the procedures we will be doing in live market to make a high probable entries in Bank Nifty. So right now I have chosen Bank Nifty future in 15 minutes time frame. So today fully in this video I will be saying you about the full analysis of trade entries, how we will be making a high probable entry in Bank Nifty in future with our indicator. So this is the new version of our JJP Trading Academy indicators. So right now you can see we have we are giving three indicators for you. So this is the main indicators we will be using it for live market analysis. So you can see the first indicator is JJP range of POC. Okay, this will be giving you a main range as well as it will be giving you the POC point of control at which the buyers and sellers has been placed. And you can see right now in the first candle of 15 minutes it will be showing you only the range range of the market. So these are the main important levels which we need to use in range of the market, and the POC level will be updated once after the close of first candle. So right now we are waiting for POC levels. So this is one of the indicator which will be surely indicating whatever the market main buyers and sellers range it will be showing, as well as it will be showing what is the big volume traded for the previous trade day. What is the big volume traded for previous trade day, it will be showing it as a point of control, that is POC. So today we will be seeing that also. Watch this video till the end, then only you can understand whatever the analysis we do in live market, as well as we are going to take trades in live market, we will be updating in this video. So right now you can see in the second indicator is Fibo levels. So Fibo levels are main important levels which will be giving you the main important retracement zones, as well as it will be showing you the main buyers and sellers zones in the live market. So every indicators right now we are using in 15 minutes time frame, because 15 minutes time frame is giving you the higher accuracy, as well as for every trade entries. This will not be giving you more volatile in 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame will be more volatile, as well as it will be showing for buy entry, sell entry, like this it will be varying. But 15 minutes confirmation will be a big confirmation, as of the big buyers and sellers will be making trade entry according to 15 minutes time frame. So right now we have chosen our Fibo levels, so that you can see every Fibo levels has been plotted here. So I will be explaining you what are all the main important rules we need to follow for taking trades in Fibo levels. I will be explaining you, so that you can see right now the main important levels we consider here as the levels will be in a percentage. So every Fibonacci will be in a percentage only. So right now you can see right now I have plotted every Fibo levels. So Fibo levels we will be considering the main levels as the green levels. The levels which will be giving you the percentage in every levels. That levels you need to see that whether it is in a green color or not. You can see 1.500 is in a green. So this is a main validated level. As well as you can see 0.5 is also a main level. 0%, as well as every green levels are more important levels, and other red levels are somewhat retracement levels, but we will not be mostly considering that. But these are the Fibo levels we will be providing you. As well as you can see right now we have also done the order flow analysis. That means this order flow indicator will be providing you the live data of buyers and sellers according to the high probable entry we are going to take, that we will be analyzing according to the buyers and sellers. What is the volume of buyers and sellers right now in the market, it will be showing you, and it will be showing you from the low buyers as well as in the high volume of buyers. So right now you can see in the live market, now in this particular candle the sellers almost in the 7529. So according to Bank Nifty, if it is higher than 1000 points, it is more considerable, and the buyers and sellers are in a high volume. So according to Bank Nifty, for every scripts we need to see this volume. So this indicator will be more useful for every traders who are all analyzing according to the volume of particular script. So right now I have chosen the future only. So if you are choosing index, it will not be showing you the volume of buyers and sellers, because index is just a spot index, but future is the only trade zone which Bank Nifty traders will be taking trades, so that we can easily analyze where the big buyers has been entered and big sellers has been entered. So at that point we are going to enter. So this is the procedure we are doing every moment of our calls providing. If you can't analyze this type of analysis, then you can easily join our WhatsApp broadcast, and live we will be updating you what are all the trade entries we will be making in the market. So right now you can see almost in this particular candle, once the candle end only we can decide the particular candle. So right now we are not going to make any decisions. Right now the market is 9:20 a.m. Now the date is 2 February 2022. So right now in live market, once we get a high probable entry, I will be updating you. Thank you. Yes, right now you can see now the timing in my chart is 10:07 a.m. So you can see, and right now you can see now the POC line has been updated. This is the point of control for the previous day. So you can see the last day the high traded volume is taken in this level only, so that this level will be showing you the high volume of buyers and sellers as a point of control. So these two purple level will be helpful for every traders to make understanding that the previous days main levels. So finally you can see right now we have got one entry, but today we have not taken this entry because of some high probable confirmation. So you can see once the market is started above, so you can almost see today 1200 points almost gap up in future. But in index you can see the first candle is in a green candle, almost only 200 points is gap up in index, and somewhat only 200 points it has only 500 points it has been in a green mode, but the first candle in the future is red mode. Somewhat the market is in confusion, but our indicator has been given you the bias value 129 in this candle. So almost you can see once the market is trading above this level, that is the yellow level, you can see it will be varying for each candle. So once the market is trading above this level, then we should only take the entries of bias. So you can see almost 129 bias is here. So this is also considered as a bias volume. So once the candle breaks this high, then we can go for a buy side value. So almost you can see in the next candle itself almost you have got some points. So this is how the buyers and sellers volume of our order flow indicator will be more helpful for every traders. So till now we have not got any high probable confirmation, so we have not posted any trades in our WhatsApp broadcast. So see, now the timing is 10:31. So almost in this candle we have analyzed that this is a red candle, even though in our order flow analysis it has been said that almost 129 buy order has been placed above the movable level. So you can see the yellow level is below, so that the candles are above, trading above the yellow movable level, so that we can take this buy entry as a good buy entry. As well as you can see almost in the second candle, this is the only this candle we are going to make entry. So almost you can see at that time we are going to take ITM of 100, because right now today the market is Wednesday market. So almost you can see now in future it has been given you 160 points. So in you can easily judge that in options as well as, so in options almost you will be getting 80 points. So right now you can see that now I have choose on strike price 39,000. So this is the candle we are going to make entry, almost 281 to it has been reached till 371, almost it has been in 95 points in options. So this is how you can make easy entries. This is how you can make easy entries with our order flow indicator as well as our FIBO levels also. So you can see according to right now the market condition, according to our analysis, you can see the FIBO levels has been breakdown in the first candle itself. So once upon, if you are getting any half breakout, or if you are getting if you are getting a below half breakout, that is if the candle is starting, for example, so that you can see if the candle is starting here in the main levels, I am saying that is it should be green levels, that is the level should be intimated in green, that is 1.618 is green. So if you are getting any main levels breakout, so there may be a pullback for that level. So that you can see, for example, if the market is starting here, so if the market is trading above, and if it is only making a half breakout, that is the next level, from the next level it is in a half breakout. So if you are taking this type of candles, if you are getting this type of half breakout candles, then there may be a pullback again to the low of the particular candle. So this is the analysis. So right now you can see the first candle, in the first candle you can see it is a breakout of 1.618 level as well as 1.500 level. So this is almost a big breakout. So surely there may be a pullback towards at least to this levels. So according to this analysis also we can take this buy entry sure shot. Once you are getting analysis with this order flow indicator, you need to see whether it is above the movable levels. Then you can consider it as a buy entry, and also you can see this is a red candle. So if you are getting a red candle with that it is showing a buy value, then you can easily consider that the market is going to be a trap, or otherwise the buyers are making some sell entries and trapping, and the next candle will be a good candle. So let us wait for a good entry today. If you are not getting any high probable entries, we will not be posting any trades in our WhatsApp broadcast. Sure shot trade entries only will be posted in our WhatsApp broadcast. Thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Till now in this video I have said you about the full basic setups. What are all the setups we will be using in live market, as well as our indicator traders new version update I have said in this video. And if you want to know more details about our indicator as well as our services, you can join our Telegram channel. And if you want to get access with that, you can WhatsApp us on 7200556708. Until that, you can stay tuned, and in the next video I will be trying to post the live trade entries executions about our WhatsApp broadcast. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you.